Iba to. About this one. Hi, Louie Basco. How are you guys? I miss you guys so much. Higa tayo, di kayo. Pagod na ako. Ay, sorry. Di pala ako pagod. Masaya pala ako. I'm blessed to be here. Dati pinapangarap ko lang to. Pangit naman ang light dito, Ben. I don't know what I'm crying for. Love you too. Day at a time. Dito na, nag-zoom lang pala siya. Anong meron, guys? Anong meron sa inyo? Anong comment? Anong, what's new? Tell me what's new. Ay na, si Norms. Magka nga, Norms. Ni-adjust mo lang ako. Hello, I miss you guys. It's been a while. How is everyone doing? I need to wear my glasses. Protection from the UV light of this phone, because the phone is too much. Ba't parang ang liit na mukha ko? Wait lang. Oh, ang liit ng lips ko. Ano ba yan? What's wrong? Napaka naka-auto to. Ayoko may filter. Ba yun? Thank you, Lord. May filter yata to eh. Paano ba yun? Beautify. Ano to? Ayan. Tanggalin natin yung mga nakaano dyan. Tapos yung lips ko, lumiit. Ano ba yan? Ang ginawa sa lips ko, liniitan. Nagano siya. Hindi naman ganyan lips ko. Ginawa mo dito. Meron. Wait lang. Ano ba to? Ano ba yun? Wala. Ay na, kakapoy. Ay, nakakapoy. Bala na yan. Hello, how are you guys? Kamusta? Kamusta araw nyo? Sana masaya kayo. Sana safe kayo. Sana di kayo ninalamig ngayon. Like I am right now. I am dying out of cold. It's so cold here. It's killing me softly. Guys, oh my god. Na-addict ako na anime ngayon. Sino ba dito maano sa anime? Sino dito yung Sino dito yung addict sa anime? Hello po. For a different prod. Oo, later ulit. Yeah. Ganun talaga. Oo. I love doing what I'm doing. Dan. Hindi ko alam. Tanungin niyo po kung sino po yung nag-ano sa akin. It was meant to be. Like, if it's for you, it will not pass you. It will not miss you. It's for you. K-pop Demon Hunter. No. K-pop Demon Hunter is not anime. Hindi siya anime. But, the anime na kinaka-addikan ko ngayon is Food Wars. Like, bro, not yesterday, Sunday night when I went home, like, I cried dahil ang siya yung pinakamasarap na curry sa lahat. Tapos, naiyak ako dahil lang sa curry, naiyak ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari, or hormone lang ba, or riraglahin na ba ako, hindi ko na alam. Bisaya ka pa rin. Yes, of course, Bisaya pa rin. Core ko yan, di yan mawawala. Shout out po. Shout out to Mel, Real. Well, can't do anything about it. My hair was really short that time. Thank you. You guys don't have to see how I work hard. Like, it's okay if nobody sees it. Because I know my truth. And I'm happy with it. This is the part that I don't want to share to everyone. Because I'm shy. Anyways. Hindi, I like it short. I like my hair short. Different tayo ng preference. If I would have a hairstyle that I would love to do, it would be a pixie cut. It would be a pixie cut. That's the hair that I wanted to do. So yeah, we all have different preferences and different opinions. But at the end of the day, my hair is my hair. Mayong hapon, shooting. Yeah, shooting. Yeah, mag-rehearsal me. But wala pa kauban kay nag-rest pa sila or baka nag-eat pa sila. So, I'll be waiting here. Everybody here eats late because there's a lot of things to do. There's a lot of work. So, yeah, that's why sometimes I get so angry with people who are so judging about the people who work hard. Why is it like that ba? Like, you hate them because they work hard? You hate them because you're lazy? Ay, sorry. Gano'n ko gwapo si Jello? Gwapo talaga si Jello. Face guard yun. Face guard na. Face guard talaga si Jello. Like, bro, like, he's the prettiest boy I ever seen. Like, such a pretty face. Mas maganda pa si Jello sa akin. Ganda-ganda ng mukha. Kung magiging lalaki, gusto ko mukha ko si Jello. Kamukha ko siya. Pero siyang Koreano. Pero siyang, alam mo, parang, basta, pero siyang hindi siya si Park Hyun-sik. Pero para siyang alam niyo, may kamukha si Jello eh. Kamukha niya sa TXT, leader sa TXT. Sa Together na group, boy group, TXT. Pagbisi day, Parkinson. Who's Parkinson? Thank you. Igagaw. Yeah, tomorrow X Together. I said to Jackie. Tomorrow by Together, yeah. Hindi si Kuya Jello na Kuya Jello ko. Si Jello na Jello BGYO ha. Thank you. Salamat ka ayo, day. Salamat kayo din. Appreciate ni mo na ako na wong. I don't know what I'm crying. Same bayat taga-Piliedo. No. Ang pangit naman ng nagre-reflect. Yan na si Jackie. Hi, Ate G! How are you? I'm okay. I guess I'm okay, guys. How's working with Kuya River? Kuya River is so fun to work with because Kuya River is so chill lang. So chill, good vibes. I love them. I love like my kauban, my co-actors. You know, I know for a fact that we were destined like to be cast, like the cast is destined to be cast because like for me they are somehow my comfort while I am stepping out of my comfort zone. So while I'm stepping out, I feel comforted pa rin. So I don't know if it makes sense. Proud of you. Thank you. That's so kind. You're so kind. Magbut man ka kung unoy ako profession, Maylin. Katulog dira day. Walay but-anay. Hala diri paskoylah ko. Kung gusto ka magmaestra ko, alay paskoylahan na lang ko. Uy but-anay kung unsay gusto himuon ng tao ha. Kay wala ta man kabuta. Dre, paskoylah ko kung amuhon. Na ikaw pagkuan dira. Taro nga ang pagkuan ho, comment. Lipstick from Maybelline. Ate Sheila is so good. Like, red lips. Bodybuilder pala. Thank you. Thank you to Mama B. Diet tips. Huwag kang kumain. joke. Guys, there's a lot of tatlong beses ako nag-audition, tatlong beses kaming lahat pinabalik. And yeah, I just did my best lang. I just did what I did. Sometimes minsan I doubt myself because mahina yung kumpiyansa ko lately during that time. But then like the staff are so nice. Like Direk Benny is so nice na he always told me na you were cast here for a reason. So it's I love the staff. I love everyone. Thank you. Hala, si Nora. Oh my God, lives in Arizona. Arizona. I don't think they're at Arizona. Sino, halabe? Sino? Sige nga. Si Brandon ba yan? Anong shade ng lipstick? I don't know. I don't even know. Yun sa'yo iyab ni mo, Teron. Secret. Bisan maya. Secret. Murag na, pero murag wala. No. Thank you, love. Thank you. That's so nice of you. Thank you. We're together. Huh? Issue mo, guys. Really? Thank you. Give me your hand. Thank you, Yara. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Lord. Busog ako. Hello, Sheila. Hello, Katukayo. Salamat, Katukayo na Angie. Kitanta ka sa Philippines ako sa TV. Karon dako na ka. Tigulang na ko. Amo jud, mao jud. Kiligon pod kang oo, good. Si dili kiligon basta gwapo, di ba? Everybody gets kilig. Nyabutan pa, talented pa. Asa man. Kiligon mga ni ako mga kauban diri. Ako pa ka di. How's your hair these days, love? It's getting healthy again. Are you sure? I don't think so. This is the length of my healthy hair. So this one is dead. But I try as much as possible not to put any heat on it and just let it be. So yeah, I guess that's the secret. Sabog makeup. Thank you to Ate Sheila. Lipstick only and eye makeup and blush. Even better, I don't know. Bakit bagay ba ako magkontrabida? Feeling ko din. Gusto ko yung nananakit. Ayoko yung ako laging sinasaktan. Pagod na ako maging victim. Charis, pagod na ako naaapi. Kaya ngayon naman, cross me and you see. Cross me and you'll see. Thank you. Mayong hapon. Shoutout sa imo, day. Mayong hapon. Of course. Yes, taga Siargao ako, Christoph. How about you? Where are you from? And hello to everyone who's watching, to everyone that is new here. Hello, my name is Angie, if you don't know me. And if you know me, welcome. And if you love me, I love you too. And if you don't love me, I still love you too. You'll be in my heart. What do you mean? A pag-cover. We'll see about it. You'll be in my heart. Girl. Thank you. You guys are kind too. Thank you so much for being so polite here and being so kind, being so kind and polite, and I appreciate it. Yes. That's why you guys need to abang, okay? Abang. Nahawa mo kami, G. What do you mean, nahawa? Where? Sa alin? Ay, talaga. Ay. Sabi ko, hala, ba't dito nahawak-hawakan ko na ano ka? Hindi ba? Kala ko nahawakan ko na. Mas gwapa ka. Hello, Kevin Silva. How are you? I hope you guys are doing well. And I look like a bolto, guys. I'm too white these days. Like, too white. Like, ganda naman nun, light. Yan. Kasi parang, higa na lang. Isayaw mo. Tumunog likod ko, guys. It's broken. Isayaw mo ako sa gitna ng ulan. Mahal ko. Kapalit man ito'y buhay ko. Guba na dubdub. So, at least maganda. Ikaw, maganda ka ba? Ay, sorry. Ang kapal ng mukha. Ay, nako. Hi, April. Salamat, Day. Sama pa paniwang. Ayaw kaon, Day. Lo. Kung para sa ako. Makita naman na to. Kung para sa ato. What's meant for you will not pass you, will not miss you. It will not miss the timeline. It will not pass you, okay? If it's for you, it's for you. It wasn't just the perfect time to give it to you, because for sure, God knows when to give it to you. And you just have to be patient and at the same time, ready yourself when it's there. Okay? Yeah, I just ate before I came here. So, I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm Angie. Yeah. Hi, Trisha. Kamusta naman ka, Day? Galingan mo. Thank you, Day. Salamat. Salamat sa pag-encourage. Woke up like this. Ano woke up? Wala'y woke up. Kaya balay tulog. Walang woke up na nangyari kasi walang tulog. Okay lang yan kasi kasunod na sila kay Papa Jesus tsaka kay Mama Mary. Of course, mga perfect sila. Walang may mali sa kanila, lagi silang tama, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Next na sila kay Mama Mary. Naya naman si Mama Mary sa kanila. Isayaw mo ako. Parang ano, Theresa May. Imagine natin mahaba tong hair na to. So bored, guys. I don't know what to do. Okay lang. At least wala akong ginawang masama kahit kanino. So, depende na lang sa kanila yun. Sila na bahala. Malaki na sila. Alam nilang gagawin nila. Okay lang. Carry lang. Naka-jacket naman ako. You guys need to learn the power of just let all the things be as it is. Let it be. If it happened, then it happened. Just let it be. Do not force things. Like, there's a lot of things that you can't force, guys. So, Yeah, kasi kakapagod na guys. Like, di ba kayo napapagod? If you mind them, kayo yung talo. Ayaw ko magpatalo, kaya di ko papansinin. Thank you. That's so nice of you, Aya. Thank you. No, that's my real eyes, guys. Thank you. Yes, Breka. Congratulations kay Brent. Like, I'm so proud. Kay Brenty boy. Congratulations. Hindi ko in-expect na si Brent, no, na he would go out from his comfort zone. Kasi he's so, he's so introverted. Like, he went out to his comfort zone, and that's a step of like, like a person that doesn't wanna be stuck in life, in a stagnant perspective sa life. And seeing him right now is so confident. I'm proud. Like, talking to other people, proud. Hello, Bea. How are you guys there? My height? Sabi ng doctor, 5'3" lang daw ako. So, maniniwala ako sa kanya. Doctor sila eh. So, 5'3", and my timbang is around 49.50. Diyan lang timbang ko. Hindi na bumabawas. Hindi na din sobrang lumalaki. But right now, hindi kasi ako nagba-muscle gain. Hindi ako muscle mass ngayon. Nagwa-water mass ako. So, parang mas malaki ako from before. But same lang timbang ko. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exercise more and build up my muscles again. Hi, Sander. I'm okay. How about you? Kung kailan kita makikita, doon kita makikita. Okay ra ka, Angie. Okay naman ako. Nagulat lang ko. Rehearsal ko ron para unya. Taping na pag me. Sometimes in life, we have to work. Ay! Agay! Ay, pulingan ko.
Nanalo pa yung isang bata na sinusunod
Ay.
Kasi nung sinip namin yun, sinalok si Papa Kutisa. Kung ka nagpapakanta,
Agoy.
Kahapon ay nakikita ko yung mukha, yung lumulukot na, naiinis na. Pag wala. Tapos yung laro ko. Nakatatlong ulit sila, nabibisit yung bata.
I need somebody to blow my eyes, but I can't find anybody. Ayun. What the heck was that, bro? Bro. Ano kaya yun? Oh my God. Ano saman to? Was it this? Was it the... Guys, I don't know what happened. Napulingan ko. Ayan. Mauna na kay... Hola, kuya!
Lunch lang kami, late lunch.
It's okay. It's okay. Say hi to the live.
Hi!
Hello, I love you. I miss you guys. Ayun na.
4 boys ano yan?
Four boys.
Ay, wala.
Bye-bye na. Wait lang. Nakamano. Say bye.
Bye! Gusto mo nakita ka namin naka-live kaya umuuna kami dito.
Nakita niyo ako naka-live. Kaya tuloy ako. Sabi ko, kumustahin mo sila. Alam niyo ito si Enrique Hill. Okay.